Everybody sit down. Shut up.
What?
Come on, you're late for school. Come on.
We'll take my truck.
Get in the bus. Here we go.
What do you want?
All these young kids gotta get these energy drinks.
What?
Get on the bus. We gotta go to school. Over here being late.
Where are we going?
Just sit down. No eating and drinking on my bus, neither.
Yeah,
I mean it. We got places to be, things to do.
I'm trying to do my AG1.
Get on my bus.
Yeah.
Always on the bus, hooping and hollering. I ain't got time for all this mess.
Hey, slow down!
I ain't no slow down, gotta get to school.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a cat. Oh, there's a dog.
Stop!
Oh yeah, I gotta keep going. And one more just 'cause I want to. Yeah.
Stop, I'm trying to drink my AG1.
What? You what?
AG1.
Hold on. We in my bus. What you talking about? Some AG1 on my bus? No eating and drinking.
AG1.
What is AG1?
Well, I was trying to put it all in here, but the way you was driving, I couldn't do it.
Ain't nothing wrong with my driving. It's the roads. We
This
live
is
in
for my
Mississippi.
gut health, and it gives me energy, man. I take them every day. I was about to get one when I pulled the gate, but you come in here like a maniac. Where are we even going?
We're going to school.
Oh my Lord.
Hurry up, drink your drink, and so I can throw it away. Ain't no eating and drink on my bus.
Well, go slow.
No, everybody, no, ain't go slow. Drink the drink. Everybody on the bus eating, drinking all the time. We got places to be. Tell them about to go slow. I go at my own pace.
Slow down.
Oh, we done lost a kid. Now we got to turn around again.
I'm not gonna get a good dose of this today for sure. The things you gotta do to try to have good gut health. Ride with somebody like this. We got it down now though. We're good to go. All right, go wherever you want to.
We're going to school.
I'm ready.
Everybody get off my bus.
Gladly. AG1 Next Gen is a health drink that combines your multivitamin, pre and probiotics, superfoods, and antioxidants all into one delicious, simple scoop. One simple scoop in the morning with 8 to 12 ounces of water adds up to whole body health from 75 plus vitamins, minerals, probiotics, and whole food sourced ingredients. If you're on the grind every day like us and you're in and out of these truck stops, eating bad food, not being able to eat healthy, AG1 Next Gen is great for you. It helps you with your gut health, it gives you a little bit of energy, and it provides the vitamins and things that you don't have time to take every day. And they've even put it into a little travel pack. All you gotta do is tear the top off your little travel pack, pour it in 8 to 12 ounces of water, and you're ready to go. You can even do it while riding on a bus with a crazy person driving. Head to my link or scan the QR code to get a free welcome kit, including a bottle of vitamin D and free AG1 travel packs when you first subscribe. And we just wanna thank AG1 for sponsoring today's video. What's up everybody? It's early in the morning, and you know what used to sit right there? Where it can't get right used to sit. It's gone now. It was a really good car. We done a lot of cool stuff with it, and really hate getting rid of it. Wish I was a millionaire. I could keep all my cars because I get really attached to them, and they all seem to turn out to be really good race cars. But on the new adventures. Today we're going to pick up Rodney Wing and Spencer Hughes from the airport, and they're coming to the dirt track, and they're going to get on the dozer and the motor grader and show me how to progressive bank my track. And we're gonna get it all right, get the banking right, so we can race 3 cars wide, hopefully. And maybe Pike County won't be a 1-lane racetrack anymore. So, y'all stay tuned. We're going to put in some work. I will show y'all what replaced that soon enough, but we definitely gonna miss it. It was a great car, and only reason we're doing it because we got a bright future in our eyes, and we had to free up some money to get things going. So, it is what it is. Wish the new owner nothing but success. It's a good car. I think they'll have good luck with it. And I'm definitely going to be tuned in watching it because I love that car. It was a great one. Yeah, I gotta go get hydraulic oil. And it's expensive.
Yeah, a lot of fluids.
Yeah, especially when they all leak.
Right. It cleared it. Man, he is rolling.
Puddin' ain't got a chance.
He cooked, huh?
He's done. He's too scared to show up.
Yeah. Yeah, looking at that lap he just made, Puddin's gonna have to. He's gonna have to figure something out.
Yeah, I hope he's watching YouTube on how to do it.
Yeah. You got a good track.
And then you come out here, and after it's set for about an hour, then you come out here and start packing it in, and it's real muddy, you know, on top, you know. But but that end, like this end where it's that progressive banking all the way through, that end still got just a little bit of a crown in it. So
I think it's better than I've ever seen it.
it's no doubt.
Yeah.
It looks a whole lot better. Yeah. So I bet some of these rocks hurt when they hit you in the face. Probably.
Yeah. But yeah, we'll blend them in.
You'll learn about tear offs real quick. You guys doing this?
Yeah, you got to do
Drag racers don't do that. Tear them all off. That's what I did the first race I was ever in. Reached up there and jerked them all off. But
So this is Rodney Wing and Spencer Hughes. Rodney Wing's the owner of Why Not Motorsports Park, and everybody talks about it being the best surface in Mississippi. So we got him here trying to make this one better. Spencer Hughes, he builds dirt cars, he races professional late models, and apparently drives a 1949 Dozers pretty good too. So
It's a long day.
at one point he poured hydraulic fluid on the lever of the 6-way blade on that Dozer to try to make it quit sticking. So
Yeah, it helped for a little while.
I have bought 25 gallons of hydraulic oil today, 2.5 gallons of oil. That shit's leaking everywhere.
Buy a dirt track, they said. It'd be fun,
Yeah,
they said.
that's probably why it's slick over there. It's probably hydraulic oil.
Yeah, we came down to try to help out with the track surface, and we've been doing it for a while. I've had the racetrack at Why Not for 18 years now, and so that's where I live, and that's all I've ever done. So trying to teach him how to go in a circle. He was wanting to name it Can't Turn can't turn right speedway, I think, at one time. But after I heard him shifting them gears in the water truck, I was going to name it can't shift right speedway. But
I can't never get that last high gear, man.
yeah, I got it. Gonna show him up and sound about the same way. So here we
I
are.
can get all of them and love the last high one. It just won't go. I don't think it's there.
Yeah, but this is the second time I've came down here, or me and Spencer both came down here, and Puddin has talked a lot of crap about who'd be the fastest in the minivan, but every time we get here, he mysteriously has something to do and has to leave. So
Puddin Sunshine thinks you're bad luck. Every time you show up, we get a load of trailers.
Well, I'm not sure about Sunshine yet, but Puddin is definitely a sissy. He won't show up to race, so I don't know what's going on, but I think he knows how it's going to turn out. So.
Yeah. He's just trying to drag it out a little bit.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be Puddin's minivan, so
yeah. Let's get out of here before he shows up. We gotta get.
that's what I was just looking at.
No, don't call him. Let's just leave it like that.
He's
We'll build it up.
Yeah. That's right.
Big match race. Puddin doing his dream job out here, packing the track in his school bus. Trying to get a ride in this rig, man.
All right, everybody sit down. Shut up. No eating and drinking. If I stop, you shut up. Everybody trying to get to school, trying to get on time. I ain't got time to be dealing with y'all. Ain't got no fan open here and stove.
Took your fan out?
Yeah.
You got a radio?
They had it don't work.
Oh, okay, I see the Pioneer speaker up there. It's still a little rough.
Yeah, a little bit. It gets a little sideways over here. I don't think it's much to start sliding in the corner. But usually like right here, start trying to slide a little bit.
Yeah.
You gotta pat the gas, get back in. Get back in. Then you just go ahead and whip her all around.
Yeah, it definitely got a little wet right there.
Yeah, just a little bit. Just drain it all back up. See, before long, North Pike gonna hire me.
Yep.
Part-time bus driver. Oh, just puppy up. Oh, yeah. Oh, we gotta slow down a little bit. Go ahead, go high, go high. People don't know is they think it's rough being on this track in this school bus. Well, most of these Mississippi roads, if you sit at the back of the bus and they hit a bump big enough, you'll come up and break your neck by hitting the ceiling.
Yeah. Been there, done that.
I'm pretty sure I got a slight concussion one time when I was in third grade by doing that.
Yeah.
But me and my friends, we would jump whenever we hit the bump, that way we could get real high. See, whenever I get people in here and we start making laps, we're gonna have t-shirt cannons, train horns,
Hell yeah.
microphones, police lights, fireworks, bazookas, everything.
Alright, my stop's right up here, Mr. Bus Driver.
Yeah? That's how you be on my bus anyway. Y'all ain't did nothing but holler and scream the whole time. I gotta get home, lay in my chair, drink cold beer, and watch Gunsmoke. Alright, see you tomorrow.
ready?
Took his kids to school, picked them up, watched them smoke, packed the track in. Now we're gonna see what it does.
Alright.
With no headlights, this is gonna be good.
Yeah. It looks pretty smooth. It did not feel smooth in the school bus, but that's the school bus things, I guess. Definitely way better than it's ever been. Or, well, I say ever been since we've been here. So. And Rodney did mention that he said honestly it could be raced on right now, like probably a little more water.
Look guys, if you haven't went and entered the Tacoma giveaway yet, it is a Pro Charge Toyota Tacoma. It's got a lift kit, big nice wheels and tires. Like, it's your chance to get one of them for $5. Don't miss this opportunity. Again, to win this truck, all you gotta do is go to the website, KaiKelleyRacing.com. For every $5 spent, you get one entry into the drawing to win this badass Toyota Tacoma.